again the question similar to same Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar is southernmost island where Indira Point we have 6 degree 45 minute north. And if you say here, okay, Great Nicobar, which particular area is closest to Great Nicobar, Sumatra or Borneo or Java or Sri Lanka? Again, if you know, don't know anything, but you know, okay, little bit idea of the Great Nicobar, just check here that it is the Bay Bengal, it is the Andaman Nicobar Island, like that, extension of Arakan Yuma Mountain. It is the Great Nicobar where Indira Point also we have. It is the Great Nicobar, southernmost island of the India. And you know it very well that this side, if little bit map idea you have, then we make one kind of Malaya Peninsula, Malaysia. And here one island, that is island like that. And one state is also there, Malacca state. And this island of Indonesia that we call Sumatra. Between Sumatra, Malaya and this place, the Singapore, famous state, Malacca state. And this island is Java here, Borneo island of the Indonesia. So these islands also very famous island, Borneo, Java, Sumatra. And Sumatra island is of course very close if you check here. But if Sri Lanka comes in your mind, then Sri Lanka is here. Just consider how much far apart Sri Lanka and how much closer the Sumatra. So Sumatra and this distance is less than 200 kilometers apart. So once tsunami hit, if you remember 2004 tsunami, then December 2004 tsunami, one of the deadliest disaster of 21st century. So maximum people killed in Haiti region, Caribbean island in one disaster. And this also the second deadliest disaster, more than 2 lakh people died. And this Sumatra powerful earthquake come and ocean level, then this area was submerged. So epicenter of this earthquake near Sumatra, tsunami triggered from that area. And that day we realized Indonesia is our close neighbor. Before that, we didn't realize so much quickly the water reached from Sumatra side to here. So Sumatra is closer to Indian territory from Indonesian side. Java, the most populous island of the Indonesia, where Jakarta, and Borneo, the largest island of this zone, and Sulawesi Island, many more islands of Indonesia. So we must know our neighborhood also. Even either due to disasters or due to, you can say, the trade route, Malacca Strait route, it is important to note down. So nothing wrong that if we just have some idea here, then Sri Lanka is far away. Sri Lanka is closer to India, one state, Pak Bay, Gulf of Mannar region you are aware of. And Java is slightly further eastward, Borneo further eastward and northward, this side, Borneo. But Sumatra is closer to this portion. So, okay, Sumatra, the right option, A option. And other than this part, the rest of the points check that, okay, which kind of question in the physiography, other than island, other than peak, lakes, could be another lake also, could be another peak also, could be another island also, could be similar kind of questions. Like Great Nicobar we have seen, 2 questions are there. And if we check here, the next question also, if you travel the road from Kohima to Kottayam, what is the minimum number of states within India through which you can travel, including the origin and the destination? When this question came in 2017, even many of the candidates have asked that we don't know the Kottayam. How can we say, okay, which state to which state? But once you just read your basic idea of the notes, Kottayam, a famous place of the Kerala, Kottayam, Kollam, Kottapuram, Kochi, these kind of names are there, Thiruvananthapuram. And Kottayam is also the headquarters of the rubber board. Kottayam is also famous for peaty soil. And in NCERT, in several places, Kottayam word is given. So in case, if you know some famous places of the India, not only state boundaries, but also the cities also, then just consider that you have good idea of the suppose Indian boundary and little bit crude map if you draw like that again. It will be useful for you. And you can draw on the paper itself. That, so for example, it is our part here. Kohima, we are aware of Nagaland capital Kohima. Minimum states, not maximum they are. घूमने को तो कितने भी घूम लें, but यहाँ पे हम नागालैंड में सपोज हैं, and Kohima the capital here, and we have to reach to Kerala or Kottayam. Then which state is the main state of the northeast? Assam. So if we come from the Nagaland to Assam, one benefit would be there. Then first state the Nagaland, and second state the Assam here, and Assam is well connected to West Bengal here. Third state West Bengal, and West Bengal is connected to this side Odisha, fourth state Odisha, and Odisha south we have Andhra, and you know that sixth state Andhra to Tamil Nadu to Kerala you can go, or Karnataka also, any option you have. Sixth and seventh is Kerala, Kottayam. So it is better that sometimes we must even consider, okay, which state to which state a kind of trajectory would be there. So here minimum state they ask. Then how many minimum states? First, if you are in any state of Northeast, you must try to come to Assam. Assam is well connected to the rest of the India, like West Bengal. And West Bengal through Darjeeling, or you can Siliguri corridor. Then West Bengal is well connected to Odisha. Odisha will give you the route to the South India, like Andhra, Karnataka, and Kerala. Then 7 states are there. But that was a time once this question was asked, very difficult question. Similarly, you can do some exercise. For example, if you are in the Maharashtra, Mumbai region, you want to go to Shimla in Himachal. How many minimum state you have to cover? Not maximum. The minimum state, first Mumbai, Maharashtra, then Maharashtra is connected to Madhya Pradesh. One Maharashtra, second Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is well connected to UP. And UP map is like that, UP is touching Himachal also from Saharanpur district. So only you can say third state the UP, and fourth state the Himachal. So if this kind of question can come up, then you have to know some state boundaries also. Okay, which states touching the UP, or which UP is having boundary of which state. I would suggest that one is UP map. You have to remember, because complicated map. Northward Himachal, this side also Uttarakhand, this side also you see the Haryana here, and also Rajasthan is also there here, and also we know that Madhya Pradesh is also there. This side the Chhattisgarh even touching, Jharkhand is touching, Bihar this side, and also Nepal. And in the northeastern area, Assam you can pick. Assam is like that. Assam is connected to all the northeastern states except the Sikkim. And two countries also, Bangladesh southward and Bhutan northward. So you may do some exercise as well. Assam side. Okay, Assam connected to West Bengal, this side, not Sikkim. Assam connected to Bhutan country here. Assam this side Arunachal Pradesh. Assam this side Nagaland, this side Manipur, this side Mizoram, this side Tripura, and this side also the kind of region the Bangladesh. So Assam to West Bengal to many more state we can go. So it could be good one if Meghalaya also touching here. Bangladesh side, this Meghalaya side. So mapping is very important, and crude map of the India if you can draw, it will be rewarding later on. And justify your answer by seeking on the diagram also. It is good if we are able to draw the diagram, then maximum chances we will reach to the right answer. So try to do this practice also, that in geography some crude map we are able to draw, so that we can verify whether our answer is correct or incorrect. And once this confidence is building up while in pressure of the exam, then you will be so happy that at least this answer is accurate, and this happiness will be translated to the next question also. And we generally see if candidates are committing mistake in series, they will commit the mistake. If they are able to solve the right answer, then number of questions will be right and right and right, because our mindset is like that. So we have to increase our level of the confidence by more accuracy. So attempt is not important, rather the quality of the answer, okay, accuracy in the answer. That will make you very happy, satisfied also. Let's see the next question as well. Consider following statement in Himalayan zone. Again the question, Western Ghat. You are observing that question from Himalaya, Western Ghats or Sahyadri. In Himalayas, 5 states only. Even state they have combined. Okay, do we know Himalayan state? Do we know the states where Western Ghats also is spreading? And one lake also they ask again. Like earlier they asked the Kolaru lake, this time Pulicat lake or Kodaikanal lake. So some lakes also they are asking the question. And only the map idea, again I would say that if you don't know anything, again try to draw the map And just check here. Suppose it is the Indian map, and it is the northern part you have to show like that. Then Himalaya is like that. Himalaya long chain, 2,400 kilometers. This basic information we are aware of, in lying a long arc. For example, this side to this side, the Himalaya is going. And Himalaya having thickness also, greater lesser Shivalik altogether. And Himalaya in Ladakh side also, Jammu Kashmir side also, and Himachal side also, Uttarakhand side also, and several countries also, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet. And in India, it is touching here also this portion, the Sikkim and West Bengal as well. And in northeastern area, it is Arunachal. But extension of Himalaya as a northeastern region going to many more states here. Patkai, Naga, Manipur Hill, Mizo Hill, Bareil Hill, like that. And these hills touching even Assam, Meghalaya, Bareil Hill. So if you have good idea, basic knowledge that one extension of Himalaya northeastern region, a northeastern region very much part of the Himalaya. Himalaya having this shape, syntaxial band, this side to this side to this side also. And all the northeastern state, including Assam, Meghalaya, having the Himalayan region. And 7 states in continuity, Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur, and 1 state that is separated by the West Bengal, Sikkim. 8 state, northeastern state, plus we have West Bengal, the 9th state, Uttarakhand, the 10th, and 11. So 11 states are there. And what is mentioned here? 5 states. Even 2 union territories, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. In 2017, Jammu Kashmir was single state, so 12 state it was. So if you have idea that Himalayas are not only in this portion, Eastern Himalaya spreading in that way, even various part of the northeastern state having the part of the Himalaya through the syntaxial bend or great bend or hairpin bend. Himalaya in the northeastern area also, like Patkai, like Naga Hill. And once we make the planning for Himalayan state, then we include northeastern states. And northeastern state itself 8 states. So 5 states, how could it be? Only 5 states only. That is the wrong statement. And second statement, Western Ghat are basically, this is the wrong 5 state. And Western Ghat are 5 states. Even South India you check. South India, the map like that. In South India, even you check here. That is the Western Ghat area. Western Ghat almost continuous, starting from southern Gujarat actually, parallel to the Arabian Sea coast. Western Ghat here also, then Maharashtra near Nasik, and then going to Karnataka, Goa, and Tamil Nadu and Kerala also till Kanyakumari. So we have in Nilgiri region, Tamil Nadu also, Tamil Nadu, the Kerala, the Karnataka, the Goa, and also Maharashtra, and even parts of the Gujarat also. So east of Surat, we observe that Western Ghat is there. Western Ghat having 6 states. And Western Ghat also we have to know because UNESCO cultural heritage site or natural heritage site, entire Western Ghat. So it was in the news also due to natural heritage site. So Western Ghats are very sensitive area, important area like Himalaya in the north. And we have to know many questions UPSC asking on Western Ghat or Sahyadris. Sometimes they are asking the question, what is southernmost area of the Western Ghat? And Sheshachalam they are, Sheshachalam southernmost, that is wrong. So we have to know the Western Ghat or this region, the Sahyadri. So Western Ghat is 6 states including Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So it is also wrong. Because none of the option is not given, the third automatically is correct. And third is here. Even you don't know about Pulicat, even you are right. Because if you know Western Ghat state, Himalayan states, because Himalaya 11 state, 2 union territories right now, and Western Ghat 6 states. And these 2 statements are incorrect, so option automatically is available to you 3 only. But Pulicat Lake in eastern side, and here if you know Pulicat Lake, that side is Pulicat, like Chilka, Lagoon. It is also famous lagoon, this side Andhra, this side Tamil Nadu. One famous island is here, Sriharikota, where we have the satellite launching facility. Pulicat Lake, lagoon, saline water lake, sea water got trapped here. One side Andhra, one side Tamil Nadu border. And 2 states only, yes, it is correct. So B option automatically. So sometimes your 1 or 2 statement if important and you have good command, then it could be possible. Though in pairs, if question comes up, then further more knowledge is required. But we are observing that in physiographic aspects, the questions are available on mountain side, hilly side, their peak, their glaciers, and also some lakes or water bodies, they are asking the question. So what I will advise, then some famous lakes also you can make a diagram. Okay, which famous lake? Wular on the Jhelum river, or you can say the Kolleru lake between Krishna and Godavari, and also the lake in India, coastal lake like Chilka Lake, Odisha, largest, you can say the lagoon of the India, Vembanad, the longest lake in Kerala, and Ramsar websites or Ramsar sites also giving you many more lakes idea. That okay, Sambhar Lake, west of the Jaipur. So I will advise that one diagram, if available to you, that will help a lot. And if you just check here, suppose even I will advise that one diagram, South Indian lake, for example, you can also show. Okay, one lake that we have in Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal Lake. Okay, in Maharashtra, in Buldana district, one famous lake, Lonar Lake, that is Crater Lake. That is also part of the Ramsar sites also. We have in the Gujarat, Nal Sarovar Lake. And also in Kerala, we have one famous lake, Vembanad. Also Ashtamudi and the Shishtam Kota in Kerala. And you go to the northward, then some lakes are there. For example, artificial lake Harike near Bairaj, Harike wetland or Harike reservoir. In Rajasthan, Sambhar Lake, also Didwana, Nagaur area. And one freshwater lake that we call the famous lake Jaisamand Lake in Udaipur region. Also, one more lake in near Ajmer we call Pushkar Lake. Pushkar in Ajmer, a religious place also. So gradually, it should be your habit also to know some famous name, like one lake in the northeast, Loktak Lake. Famous lake in central Manipur area. And they are asking question on these straightforward aspects, connecting by environment, connecting by you can see some hills and some physiographic aspects. So in north we have a famous lake, the Wular Lake, Dal Lake, Wular on the Jhelum. Also in Ladakh area, a saline water lake here, Pangong Lake. One part in Chinese control, one part in Indian control. Disputed lake also, Pangong So, saline, salty lake of Ladakh. So in your next IAS booklet also, and explanation part, these kind of lakes are mentioned. So try to even draw one map, and that could be a good way that okay, famous lakes, north to south, east to west, we can check also. And other than this part, if we say here that okay, in this the third option is the correct option, and check other question as well. And the third, or you can say the next question, at one of the places of the India, if you stand on the seashore and watch the sea, and you will find that sea water recedes from the shoreline a few kilometers and comes back to the shore twice a day, and you can actually walk on the sea floor. A long statement they have taken out. And here it's a question, sheer coincidence. Otherwise, it is not the question you have to attempt. It is really quite factual kind of question. Detail has been given, and one kind of way was there that we must know some famous beaches also of the Indian coastal line, and also one area in Odisha known for clean beaches. And sometimes in a day, due to tide, water can reach up to 5 kilometers inside, and once water will recede, it will again become the proper land. People can run on low tide time, 5 kilometer high tide in that zone. And this is of course Chandipur, as the option was given here. So this question, I do find that sometimes questions will be like that, unless you got a kind of confidence that this statement, it is not easy because it is not mentioned in NCERT properly. So one hint has been given that Chandipur is one kind of important area, beach area, where missile testing center is also there, and it is free from pollution much, and high tide mark is also 5 kilometer around. And once it is receding, then we can walk on the sea floor at low tide time once water recedes here. And this unique phenomena of you can say in this area, the Odisha, the Chandipur, and this location water can encroach 5 kilometer inside also. And Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu, one kind of beach, and Bhimunipattinam in Andhra, Bhavnagar in Gujarat. But this phenomenon in Chandipur. What we can do also, that some beaches they can ask. For example, Chennai famous Marina Beach, longest beach. Also in Odisha, some beaches are Puri, Golden Beach. Puri beach is very famous, and this is called as Golden Beach also. And blue flag, a kind of eco label. So I will advise also, like one status has been given recently, blue flag status for eco label or clean beaches in that Puri beach of the Odisha. That is also called as Golden Beach. So a kind of way that it must be our habit. Okay, should do we know some Goa beaches? Do we know in Maharashtra, Mumbai, Alibag area, and many more terms could be there. So it is a possibility that you may attempt by coincidence, like that was a question in the past year, and C option was correct here. But others questions which have the more logic, not based on the sheer you can say the coincidence here. And let's see, because you know very well that 50% plus even we attempt, then the chances of the selection. So it is better that we must never consider that if we don't know any question, it means we are out of race. We have to fight till the end, and we must have this patience. We can make it up once our own area will come up. So let's wait for this our own area. Anyone could have you can say, suppose in politics are strong, or economics, or geography, or history, culture. So it is better that we have to read carefully, and then we have to judge on the merit, and we have to attempt till the end. And thank you so much. See you soon.